Alpha.
There's only one thing out there that really matters, and it's the moment. When you see the moment and you capture the moment.
With photography, I want it to be an extension of my creative mind.
It is my tool for expression.
We've seen just how much creativity can inspire and empower people.
I think that the images that we take today, tomorrow, they're going to shape how we are in the future.
I believe that photography is the most powerful tool invented to witness what is happening in our world.
For my job, I use normally Alpha 9 and Alpha 7R. And when I open the box, I saw this camera, I say, wow, what is this? It's Sony Alpha 1. Sony Alpha 1 is the perfect camera. You can have a lot of resolution, it's 50 megapixels. It's a very fast autofocus and 30 frames per second. So this is everything in one.
You've got the greatest high-tech tools in the world, whether you're shooting video or stills, all in one box.
When Sony went from HD to 4K and now slow motion 4K and now they're doing 8K, it just changes the way that you can shoot.
Very excited about the flash sync speed. Weddings in particular, there are no do-overs, and those action shots, I really need the ability to light them and shoot through them and not miss.
As sports photographers, we rely so heavily on our equipment. The speed they can take pictures at, the speed of the focus. 30 frames per second at this resolution I didn't think would be possible for a very long time, but here you've got it.
To be able to shoot 50 megapixels at 30 frames per second is just absolutely mind-boggling. And I feel like it'll open up almost new mediums of art, because you can do things that, haven't been able to be done with other cameras.
The processor in this camera is so fast, it's lightning. The new menu system is absolutely fantastic, it's so intuitive. The EVF is now much higher resolution. This camera, the One, it's an improvement on anything we've had before.
To make a camera like the Alpha 1 takes hundreds or thousands of geniuses working collectively to make this masterpiece. There's no compromise.
With this type of technology, you can essentially do anything.
It's just a beast. I'm so excited to work with it, to get my hands on it, and this is going to be a game changer for me.
I can just grab this new camera and know that it's going to be 100 times, 1,000 times smarter than the previous version of any camera Sony has ever made.
I'm so proud and happy to be one of the first photographers that can use this camera. I think that Sony Alpha 1 is the future, is something really amazing.
Basically, the Alpha 1 gives me every camera I ever needed in one.